Hello everyone, today let's talk about auto belt. This is a 8 Pk belt and this have 8. This size is 8 Pk 1062 and our factory have Pk belt and 2C belt. We can customize the 3 Pk to 24 Pk belts. And these belts have many following features. The first one is vulcanized at low temperature, with longer service life and more wear resistance, high temperature resistance and good structure, good abrasion resistance, mud-proof water. It's applicable to heavy truck. If you are interested, just can send us our inquiries. This is a black color and made of Epdm rubber. We also have the else material we can made of Epdm and rubber and CR rubber. We all can customize. This is a Epdm rubber purse. Welcome everyone to inquire and